Alright guys, so I'll be doing the battery maintenance. And actually, if you're watching this video, you should be doing that too to your car. So here's the battery. I gotta take it out. I'm gonna top off the levels in there, check them, and yeah, first I'm gonna take this washer bottle off. And yeah. Alright guys, so I loosened up already all the clamp, negative and positive. Taking off the negative first, then positive. Unplug the washer bottle. Okay, there we go. Move it out of the way. And then I already loosened these. There's two mounts. Don't lose the washers or nuts. Alright, I'm gonna take all these out, put them aside. I can lift the battery out. I gotta take this guy out. So here it is, the battery's out, guys. And as you can see, this is from my fluid film actually. So I restored the tray first and then I put fluid film on it. And it's keeping up really good. And I'm gonna put some regular grease on it right now after I'm done. But first, I gotta pop this cover off and recheck my water levels. Alright guys, so here's the cover off, and looking at these, it's gonna be hard for you to see, but there's water in there, there's acid, but it's a little low. It has to be up to the lip, not all the way to the top, but like to the lip. I have another video that I did. I'm gonna leave a link down below. You guys can see how to restore, how to maintain the battery. And they say that there's a lot of maintenance free batteries nowadays. That's true, but as you can see, this is pretty much like maintenance free battery. I opened it up, there's not enough acid in there, and it's like barely a year-old battery. So yeah, and I'm gonna top it off with distilled water every port. Make sure you're really clean. As wipe this off carefully. Alright, set it aside. And you can use the funnel, but I'm gonna try to just pour it like this. Alright guys, so I topped it off. I don't know if you can tell, but they're a lot up higher. Pretty much the levels are a lot higher than they used to be, and I'm happy with that. You don't have to go all the way up to this, just like before. There's on the bottom there's a lip, just before it touches that, like pretty much when it touches that lip, that's when you stop. Okay, and now we can wipe this down and put this back. And they're smart. They made it like in such a way so it's hard to remove this cover, and they made it so it's actually like difficult to put it even back in. So there we go. So that's all done. All right. So this is all done, protected. Now you can basically put it back. I'm gonna clean this a little. Here's something I'm gonna show you. What I'm gonna do. I'm gonna put this on the top too. You might be thinking like, damn, you're crazy. But yeah, I'm kinda am, but listen, this thing is gonna protect it so great. It's not gonna rust. There you go. It's gonna be good for another 100 years. Look at that. It's not gonna rust. Some people buy new ones and they just put them on, and after 5 years they're rusty already, if not less than that. I'm doing this firewall too a little bit because sometimes acid gets in it. But now it's good. Perfect. Also, just so you guys know, it's not sitting on the concrete. It's sitting on the rubber pad. So I'm ready to put it back. Awesome. Our guys back on. Now I'm just gonna grab and reinstall the nuts. The wind is crazy today. Yeah, so that's good. You don't have to go crazy tightening on those because you can strip the studs or the nuts. Make sure it's not moving, okay? So it's pretty good, and I should say we're ready to put the positive and negative back on. Okay. Some grease here if you guys want, it's up to you. I might actually do it. And then another good thing to do is to actually have a cover for this positive terminal. just in case. I mean, as you can see, my hood pad is missing, so that would suck if this thing contacted the ground. It would short things out, but I'm gonna find some cover for it, and I'm just glad that, you know, I have those battery keepers, so the battery stays in place, it's not flopping around. Alright guys, so everything is reinstalled, all back together. Easy job, easy day. So let's go and try to see, make sure it's all good, it starts up. Have to adjust the clock as well. Just make sure this baby starts up. All good. Change the clock. Yeah, it took me like 15 minutes to do this. Not too much. Alright. Good. So that's all done. And I think I can see the problem. You guys remember why my car was overheating? Probably remember that. Okay, so you guys, I don't know if you'll be able to see. See how it's like plugged up? Try to show you. Let's see if I can zoom in. There's junk in there. There's like bugs and all the other stuff. So I might have to. This is original Mercedes actually. I might have to actually take the whole radiator out, maybe clean it, or maybe I'll just get a new one. And then I need to change these belts soon as well. They're no good. Water pump seems to be good. So, yep, some more things coming up we'll have to be fixing. Alright, so our battery maintenance is all done. This is my temporary fix, just in case. Everything else is good to go. So that was the battery maintenance, and like I was saying, anybody can do it. It's actually a really important step if you want to save your battery. It doesn't matter what car you have. It's pretty much the same stuff for any car, and if you do the same procedure, actually you're gonna prolong the life of your battery. And as you saw, the battery that I pulled actually wasn't perfect. It had the levels were actually kind of down, kind of low, so I had to top it off. And by topping it off, I prolonged the life of the battery. Additional thing that you can do is you can also spray something on the terminals to keep them from corroding and all that stuff. But that was basically a really important step that I did to this car and saved the battery. As far as how often you have to do it, I should say check it at least maybe once a year or maybe twice a year. That'll be a good thing to do. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Alright guys, so that was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate your comments and likes and everything. You guys are awesome. Thank you for being with me and supporting me and for loving the old school cars same way I do. And yeah, just make sure you subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. Like this video, and I'll see you in the next one.